April. I am super excited to introduce you to something new and exciting from Cricut. Many of you know that I just moved here to Florida and I'm renting an apartment while I look for a house. However, the lighting here is very minimal. As you can see, I have a little ceiling fan with a schoolhouse light on it, and that's just not getting it for me to do my crafting and filming my projects and things like that for you. However, Cricut has rescued me. Check this out. Yay! Cricut Bright 360 is here. I chose the floor lamp, but it also comes in a tabletop version. The head rotates. You can raise and lower this thing with one finger. You can turn it 360 degrees. You can adjust the light. Super simple and super easy just by using the little slide controls, cool or warm lighting. You are not going to believe this thing lights up a 4-foot area. No more lighting issues. You can bring it right down to that project and work on that project without any issues at all. Look at this. In normal lighting, I can't even see the weeding lines on the iron-on. Look at the difference with the Cricut Bright 360. Seeing to weed and apply my iron-on is just so super easy again. I can't believe it. It even helped me make placement easy again because I could actually see everything. How awesome is this? Rolling flowers. I could see every little detail of my paper, my score lines, everything that I needed on that project.